Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Get ready to learn something new today. Hope you all are doing good by the way. Go to curves, and do like so. This is quite a crucial part because it determines the brightness of the image. In this video, I may have accidentally made it a bit too bright. So just get comfortable with this tool and do as you please. Set exposure at -0.26. Contrast at -60. Highlights at -19. Shadows at -29. Whites, -51. Black, at -31. Move to colors. First, set vibrance to 20. And saturation to -30. Now go to colors. For red, set hue to -1. Saturation at +16. Luminance at -12. For orange, take hue down a bit to -6. Saturation up to +10. Luminance down to -6. For yellow, set hue at -3. Saturation at -70. Luminance at 16. Then green, the most important part. Set hue at -5. Take saturation all the way down to -100. And luminance at -51. For aqua blue, set hue at 7. Set saturation at -81. Luminance at -82. For blue, leave hue at 0. Saturation at -31. And luminance at +40. Leave the rest. Move to Effect. Place Texture at 21. Clarity at 30. And dehaze at 10. Final tuning, go to Detail. Set noise reduction at 42. And leave detail at 50. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.